Creating a home that feels open, connected, and inviting is a goal for many homeowners. In Mandeville, where natural surroundings and outdoor living are part of everyday life, Bow Windows offer a beautiful way to blur the line between indoors and outdoors. These elegant windows don't just enhance your home's appearance, they create a seamless transition that improves how your space looks, feels, and functions. Bow windows are made up of 4 or more panels arranged in a gentle curve that extends outward from your home. This design allows for wide, panoramic views and increased natural light, making your indoor spaces feel more connected to the outdoors. Instead of looking through a single flat window, you experience a broader, more immersive view of your surroundings. One of the biggest ways bow windows create a seamless indoor-outdoor transition is through natural light. With multiple glass panels capturing sunlight from different angles, rooms become brighter and more open throughout the day. In Mandeville, where outdoor scenery and sunlight are part of the home's appeal, this added brightness helps bring the outside in, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The expanded view is another key benefit. Bow windows allow you to enjoy your yard, garden, or neighborhood in a more dynamic way. Whether it's watching the seasons change or simply enjoying a peaceful outdoor setting, the connection to nature becomes part of your daily experience. This visual openness makes your home feel larger and more integrated with its environment. Another advantage is the additional interior space created by bow windows. Because they extend outward, they form a small alcove that can be used in creative ways. Many homeowners in Mandeville turn this space into a cozy seating area, a reading nook, or even a spot for indoor plants. This functional space acts as a bridge between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. Ventilation can also contribute to the indoor-outdoor connection. While the center panels are often fixed, side panels can be designed to open, allowing fresh air to flow into your home. This helps create a natural circulation of air, making your space feel more refreshing and aligned with the outdoor environment. On pleasant days, opening these windows enhances the sense of connection even further. Design flexibility is another reason bow windows are so effective. They can be customized to match your home's architecture and personal style, ensuring they blend seamlessly with both interior and exterior elements. Frame colors, finishes, and grille patterns can all be selected to complement your home, creating a cohesive look that enhances the transition between spaces. From the outside, bow windows add depth and dimension to your home's exterior. This architectural detail not only improves curb appeal but also reinforces the connection between indoor and outdoor living. The curved design creates a soft, inviting appearance that stands out while still feeling natural and integrated. Energy efficiency is also an important consideration. Modern bow windows are built with insulated glass and high-quality materials that help regulate indoor temperatures. This means you can enjoy the benefits of larger windows without sacrificing comfort. In Mandeville's climate, where warmth and humidity are common, this balance is essential for maintaining a comfortable home. Durability and low maintenance further enhance their value. High-quality materials resist moisture, warping, and wear, ensuring your windows continue to perform well over time. This allows you to enjoy the beauty and functionality of your bow windows without constant upkeep. Another benefit is how bow windows enhance everyday living. The combination of light, views, and added space creates an environment that feels more relaxing and enjoyable. Whether you're spending time with family, entertaining guests, or simply unwinding, the connection to the outdoors adds a sense of calm and openness. Ultimately, bow windows offer more than just a design upgrade, they create a lifestyle enhancement. For homeowners in Mandeville, they provide a way to bring the beauty of the outdoors into your home while maintaining comfort and functionality. If you're looking to create a more open and connected living space, bow windows are a smart and stylish choice. With the right design and professional installation, they can transform your home into a place where indoor comfort and outdoor beauty come together seamlessly.